Hey everybody, I'm David from LearnStageLighting.com, and I'm here with James from ENTTEC to talk to you about DMXis, which I've tried a lot of PC software, hardware controllers, and when you're first getting started with lighting, especially with music, a lot of them can be a pain in the butt and not all that good, but DMXis really is different, so I'd like to ask James to talk a little bit about it.
DMXis is an entry-level lighting control program that's specifically designed for people who don't necessarily have a background in lighting design. It is geared almost specifically for DJs, bands, and small venues, and it is right here on our screen. The first step when you get DMXis going is to bring in a fixture, and you can see right here we've got our ENTTEC Olive 2 ET Mark II lights. And so basically you just come in here, you can click on a channel, you can double click on a channel and everything of the same fixture will light up, and you simply bring up that fader, and as you can probably see in the periphery of the camera, everything gets really bright. And then it's as simple as going into your banks and presets and saving the look. Boom, you're good to go. As you can see, I have made a whole bunch of looks already, and operating it is as simple as clicking on the color you want to make. And you can make the lights go blinky blinky really fast. You can make the lights go blinky blinky really slow.
Awesome, so that looks great. So when we get to actually playing back our show, this is the kicker, because you don't want to have to pay somebody to play back the light show, right? Because you're in the band,
right.
You got 5 pieces and a sound guy that you're paying.
Yep.
And so who wants less money in their pocket at the end of the night? So how do you play this back? Do you have to get somebody to play it back?
No, you can play this back in a variety of ways. Right here we have a handy device that is loaded with a program called OSC. It allows you to control the lights using a Wi-Fi network and a pad like this. You can also control DMXis with MIDI. You can integrate it into your favorite digital audio workstation, whether it be Ableton, Logic, Cubase, Pro Tools. Anything that can generate MIDI can operate DMXis. So, for instance, if you're a band that uses backing tracks, you can integrate DMXis with your show. Just hit the space bar on your computer, your tracks run, your lights run. You can also control DMXis with an analog foot switch that allows you to scroll through all of your scenes simply by pressing the foot switch.
And I really think that's one of the best features, because there's a lot of bands, they may not be using a backing track, but they want good lighting. And so I know I have a lot of people who come to learn stage lighting. They may be a bassist or a keyboardist. Those seem to be the common ones, or drummers sometimes. And they could just sit there and go to the next scene, and instead of having just one scene per song, you can have 4, 5, 6 scenes, make a really great dialed-in lighting show, but not have to pay an additional lighting guy, and make it easy if you're on a small level to make a great lighting show. So thank you, James, for sharing this with us. It's been a blast being here at Sweetwater for Gearfest, showing off, checking out all this great gear, and we'll see you around the web. Thanks.